Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters in Islam. I greet you all. Please, I want to quickly comment on something very important. Yes, I have been getting some messages on my inbox, like people keep texting me, and even on my comment sections too. Like when I make a post, I see people commenting like whether Igbo Muslims, whether Igbo Muslims or no Igbo Muslims, the most important is that we are Muslims and we are one. Yes, you're right. We are Muslims, irrespective of our tribe. Yes, but on the other hand, there is something we need to understand. We are not showing off. I didn't want to come and make this video, but the last question someone asked me about this, that was what triggered me to make this video. The person was like, why are you Igbo Muslims showing off? You hardly see an Hausa person coming on internet to say proudly Hausa Muslim, or you hardly see a Yoruba Muslim coming on internet to say proudly Yoruba Muslim. Why is it always the Igbos? Okay, yes, we always come online to say that, including me here. I'm not an exception. But please, bro, we don't do that to show off. We don't do that for fun, please. We do that to create awareness. It's just for awareness. We need people to know, not just to know, like we need them to believe that there are Muslims, Indigenous Muslims in East. Yes. So we are not doing it because we want to show off to the world, or we want to kind of make ourselves important on the internet, even though we are important. We made that video and post online because some Hausas, yes, let me not say only Hausas, some Northerners, they don't believe that there are Muslims in East. Some Westerners, the Yorubas, some of them do not believe there are Muslims in East. In fact, there are some tribes in this Nigeria that if you tell them I'm a Muslim and I'm from the East, they'll be like, hey, what are you talking about? That is not possible. So what do? We create awareness. We come online. We make short videos. We tell people about us. We tell people about the challenges we face as Muslims in East. We are not doing it to show off. We are not doing it to look for fame. We are doing it so that people can hear us and believe us. Someone came to my inbox though on Facebook actually, and was like, I've never seen a Muslim from the East before. And he was trying to tell me that he was talking to someone that I saw an Igbo Muslim today on social media, and the person told him that you can't get Igbo Muslims, that in fact Igbo Muslims do not exist, that if you see an Igbo person parading himself or herself as a Muslim, that person is only looking for favor from the North. Like, I was like, wow, really? So most people see us like, we say we are Muslims because we want to get favor from the Northerners, from the Westerners, like we are looking for favor, not that we are really Muslims. An Igbo person was like, an Igbo man knows what he will do to cash out. Forget, they are not Muslims, they are just doing that to cash out. Really? Cash out? Are you serious? Okay. The truth is that there are Muslims in every part of this country, not just only East. There are Muslims in every part of this country. So if you have not seen one in your location, ask, make inquiry, and you will see. Do not get obsessed, or do not get angry, or do not see it like it's not proper because you see us online, we make videos, we're trying to tell people that we exist. Yes, there are Muslims in East. It's not a taboo to create awareness on the internet. Besides, internet is the fastest way to create awareness. You will make a video, and before you know it, it will go viral. Over billions of people across the nation, across the world will view it. So that is why we come online, we'll make a video, and we say, yeah, proudly Igbo Muslim or proudly Igbo Muslimah. We are not doing it to show off. Please don't get us wrong. Please. That is not our motive. Our motive here is to let the world, let Nigerians know that Muslims are being found. There are Muslims in East. When I say Muslims, I don't mean business people like other tribes that are doing business in East that are Muslims. I mean indigenous Muslims. There are indigenous Muslims in Ebonyi State. In fact, Ebonyi State has a big Islamic school that is recognized in this country and even across. Yes, there are indigenous Muslims in Ebonyi State. There are indigenous Muslims in Enugu State, and I'm one of them. There are indigenous Muslims in Anambra, Abia, Imo, these 5 eastern states. They have indigenous Muslims. Some converted, some were born into the religion and grew up in it. But it's so unfortunate that we have to go or pass through this whole challenges before people could believe us that we are Muslims. It's not fair. And Hausa man will say, some Hausa people will say, you can't be a Muslim and you come from the East. It's not possible. Hello. But you are a Muslim and you are from the North. The last time I checked, they are not the first people to practice Islam in this world. In the West, Yorubas, there are Muslims there too, indigenous Muslims. So please, don't see us like we don't exist or we are trying to catch crews. Someone commented on my own video that, forget it, an Igbo girl, a Muslim, is a lie. She just liked the hijab. Really? Okay. I'm here to clear the air, please. There are Muslims in East. Serious Muslims. If you come to my place, there are a lot of Muslims. Yes, we might be the minority in East. Yes, when you talk about Islam as a religion in East, we are few, very few of us. But that doesn't mean we doesn't exist. Please, stop believing that any Igbo Muslim that comes online to make a video is catching crews or making noise. We are not making noise. We are creating awareness. We want the people to know that we exist. Yes, there are Muslims in East. So if you see me on my hijab, do not call me a Hausa woman. Not every woman on a hijab is an Hausa woman. So please, clear your head. Think rightly. Islam is a religion and everybody has right to practice it irrespective of wherever you're coming from. I want to stop here. If you watch this video, please comment, like, and share. Let the world know there are Muslims in eastern part of Nigeria. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamu alaikum.